Hi everyone, I haven't done a video in quite some time, so hopefully you'll enjoy this one. This one is a Golden Dawn, dates back to the 1930s and has some ingredients that you perhaps haven't got in your cupboard, but you never know what's lurking out the back, do you? So do give this a go if you have got the ingredients. It's just delicious. So first up you'll need some Calvados. This one is one I picked up when I was on a cruise with Mum. We called in at Cherbourg, so that's yeah, really delicious. So do pick up Calvados if you're in Normandy. It's so much better than the apple brandies. Often you see flavoured apple brandies and things like that. So Calvados if you can. If you can't, then choose a good apple brandy or Applejack. It can be a good alternative. Gin, good old London dry gin. This one is Finton's. It's from Lidl. Works really well in cocktails. Apricot Brandy, so not always a favourite of mine, but I do like it mixed up in cocktails. This one's from De Kuyper. You'll need some orange juice, freshly squeezed if you can. It gives it that nice zing, but I haven't got any oranges at the moment, so I'm just using the fresh, the juice without bits from the bottle. And then garnishing really, but it does add to the cocktail, is the grenadine syrup and some cocktail cherries. I've only got the maraschino luxardo ones at the moment, but if you can get the simple red ones, they're the ones that are used usually, but I'm going to use the luxardo, and they're delicious as well if you need to get cherries. So you will need a martini glass for this one, so make sure you've had that in the freezer just for a few minutes. And then you'll need your shaker filled with ice, or half filled with ice. Really simple measures on this one. So we have an ounce of Calvados. They're all equal measures. Get the lid off. Oops. Oh, I love the smell of it. So 25 mils, an ounce of Calvados into the shaker. Then the same of gin. Oh, I like that glug. Whoops. Same again of Apricot Brandy. This one I'm not so sure about the smell. I had a very, after a drunken night once, a champagne Charlie, which is apricot brandy and champagne, and it tipped me over the edge. So I've never been a huge fan of apricot brandy ever since. Put a shot of that into there, goes brilliantly with the Calvados. And then a shot of orange juice. Without the bits if you're getting it in a bottle, because then it doesn't get stuck in your strainer so much. But if you're doing fresh, it will give a bit of a better zing. So it's those 4 ingredients into the shaker. We wait for a moment before we put the grenadine and things like that in. So shaker on here. You need a really good shake with this one. Until your hand freezes off. Ooh, should do. Oops, there we go. Now I'm going to strain this into the glass. Straining it just keeps it a little bit clearer. Less bits of ice going into it if the ice is chipped up. Lovely. And then I'm going to pop a cherry into the bottom of the glass. I forgot a spoon, so I'm going to use my fingers. So you just want that straight down the middle. So yeah, if it was The normal cocktail cherry would be a bit redder than that. And then you just want, I'm probably going to make a mess of this, but just a little drizzle of grenadine. Should do it. There we go. Don't need much at all. It's not even half a shot, probably not even quarter, just to give that glow from the bottom. So there we are, a golden dawn.